Effortless coin organization starts with the tool that saves time and reduces hassle. Best rated coin sorter options in this guide highlight reliability, speed, and accuracy, helping users manage loose change with ease while ensuring consistent performance for home or small business use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The Cassida C300 Coin Sorter. The Cassida C300 coin sorter stands out as a dependable and efficient machine designed to handle high-volume coin sorting with ease. Built with a hopper capacity of up to 2,000 coins, it delivers impressive speed by sorting and counting coins at 300 coins per minute, making it ideal for homes, small businesses, or anyone managing frequent coin deposits. One of its strongest advantages is the innovative quick load coin tube system, which allows you to slide a new wrapper into place without removing the tube entirely, saving time and minimizing interruptions during sorting sessions. This thoughtful upgrade sets it apart from traditional coin counters and greatly improves workflow. The machine is sturdy at 8 pounds, offering stability during operation. Users who want detailed documentation will appreciate that the C300 can pair with the Cassida thermal printer, sold separately, enabling printed receipts for bank deposits or personal records. With reliable performance, quick operation, and convenient features that streamline the sorting and rolling process, the Cassida C300 delivers a well-rounded and highly practical solution for anyone looking to manage coins efficiently and with minimal effort. Number 2. Nadex S540 Pro Coin Sorter. The Nadex S540 Pro Coin Sorter is a versatile, business-grade option built to deliver accuracy, speed, and convenience for users handling large amounts of mixed coins. Operating the S540 is very simple. Just pour your coins into the hopper, press start, and the machine automatically counts and sorts everything while displaying real-time coin totals and values on the bright screen. With support for pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, dollar coins, and a hopper capacity of up to 2,000 coins, it offers excellent adaptability for both personal and commercial use. It also features multiple sorting modes, allowing coins to drop into trays or directly into wrappers using the included tube attachments. The automatic batch function stops the machine before overfilling each roll, and users can also set custom batches to mix tray and tube use at the same time. The impressive bin capacities, 900 dimes, 450 nickels, 350 quarters, 300 pennies, and $130 ensure fewer interruptions during high-volume tasks. Number 3. HK Systems Coin Sorter. The HK Systems Coin Sorter offers a fast and dependable way to manage loose change, making it a great solution for anyone wanting an easy and efficient coin handling tool. Designed to sort up to 260 coins per minute, it provides solid speed for home or light business use. Its 400 coin hopper capacity allows for longer sorting sessions without constant reloading, which adds convenience during larger batches. One of its standout features is the jam-free sorting technology that ensures smooth and reliable operation, reducing downtime caused by stuck coins. The digital display is another helpful component, showing the value of each denomination as well as the overall total, giving users a clear picture of the count as it progresses. The machine comes with 16 coin wrappers, 4 for each major U.S. denomination, so users can get started right away with rolling and organizing their change. With practical speed, user-friendly controls, and dependable jam protection, the HK Systems Coin Sorter brings value to anyone wanting a simple yet capable solution for organizing their coin collections or preparing coins for bank deposits. Number 4. DailySee Coin Sorter. The DailySee coin sorter is built for users who want a modern, intuitive, and efficient tool for handling everyday coin sorting tasks. Equipped to identify, sort, and count pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and dollar coins, it automatically calculates total values and displays everything on a bright LED screen, eliminating guesswork or manual tallies. With upgraded sorting technology that reaches speeds of 270 coins per minute, it offers about 10% more efficiency than many standard models. The 300-coin hopper capacity ensures fewer stops to reload, allowing for smoother, energy-saving operation during larger sorting jobs. The machine's user-friendly LCD interface ensures even first-time users can start sorting with just a button press. It also includes coin tube attachments for easy coin wrapping, and the machine automatically stops once a roll is full, making preparation for bank deposits quick and consistent. An intelligent anti-jam system helps keep the coin path clear, reducing the frustration of stuck coins. Number 5. VEVOR Coin Sorter. The VEVOR Coin Sorter is a capable, high-capacity machine built for users who prioritize speed, simplicity, and large volume performance. With upgraded coin sorting technology that boosts efficiency by about 10%, it processes coins at an impressive 300 coins per minute, making it well-suited for busy environments such as cash registers, offices, or home businesses. Its standout feature is the extra-large 2,000 coin capacity, which dramatically reduces the need for frequent clearing or refilling, allowing long, uninterrupted sorting sessions. The LED interface is clean and easy to read, and the straightforward control buttons make operation simple for users at any skill level. The machine also includes automatic coin wrapping functionality. Just insert your wrapping paper into the tube, and the machine fills each row and stops automatically when full. This saves significant time and effort when preparing deposits or organizing coins for storage. Whether used in personal or professional settings, the VEVOR Coin Sorter brings dependable performance, smooth operation, and impressive capacity, making it a practical choice for anyone wanting efficient and organized coin handling. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.